The question is, which of the following compounds can form a zeta ion? And what is zeta ion? So zeta ion are basically they are dipolar ions. So the compounds which have two charges are dipolar ion, and these dipolar ions can we can count this dipolarization in the alpha amino acids. And out of these four compounds given in the question, only glycine is the alpha amino acid. So this is the answer. So let's also verify the question. So the structure for the glycine is NH2, CH2, and here is H, and C, double bond 4, and then OH. So at pH is equal to at 7, at neutral pH, the NH2 will lose electron, so it will have a positive charge, and on the other side this oxygen atom will gain electron, so it will have a negative charge. So as you can see, there are two charges in this glycine, so it will be a zeta ion. So option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer.